Right, so thank you very much for your time. I do have these questions which are emanating from 2024 GCE Biology paper 2. Figure 3 shows a kind of a germination in a seed after it was planted in a well-watered soil. And so we have stages 1 up to 4. In stage 2 we have the label I. Yes, and then in stage 4 we have label H. So they are saying what characteristic of a living thing is demonstrated by the sequence in figure 3. We have 8 characteristics as living things. We have reproduction, sensitivity, which is also known as irritability. We have, respiration, growth, reproduction, made up of cells. But when it comes to germination, germination comes to manifest the characteristic called growth. So the answer here is growth. Yes, what is happening here is growth. B, identify the parts labeled H and I in figure 3. So H is definitely epicotyle. H is definitely epicotyle. I is definitely radical, and radical is the one that develops into roots. So for us to see in stage 3, we have seen roots. Yes, it was the radical which developed into those roots, and these roots are called taproot. By the way, we have 2 types of germination. We have 2 types of germination: hypogeo germination and epigeo germination. Hypogeo germination takes place in such seeds as maize, because maize is a monocotyledonous seed. But when it comes to epigeo germination, it takes place in such seeds as bean seeds and groundnuts, because these ones have double cotyledons. They have 2 cotyledons, which means they are dicotyledonous seeds. So H is epicotyle, I is a radical. Question C1, they are saying state the kind of germination shown in figure 3. So if you check very well, this is a dicotyledonous seed germinating, like bean seed or groundnut. So the answer is, of course, epigeo germination. Epigeo germination. C2, they are saying give a reason for your answer. So when they say give a reason for your answer, they are simply looking forward to you mentioning the characteristics of epigeo germination. So you say because of taproot. Okay, you can also mention because of what? This root is called taproot. It's not fibrous, it is taproot. Yes, taproot. You can also mention because of what? Because this seed is what? A dicot seed is. It's a dicotyledonous seed. So taproot, yeah, taproot. Yes, this is a taproot. Yeah, this is a taproot. So you can mention taproot. Apart from mentioning taproot, you can also mention the word because it has got 2 cotyledons. Because it has got what? How many? 2 cotyledons. Yes. Okay. C2 there. Okay. D. Question D. They are saying explain the importance of water in germination. Water provides necessary hydration for the vital activities of protoplasm. Water provides necessary hydration for the vital activities of protoplasm. Okay, it also provides dissolved oxygen for the growing embryo. Apart from that, it softens the seed coats and increases the seed permeability. Yes. Question E, they are saying apart from moisture, which means apart from water, state two other conditions necessary for germination to take place. So apart from water, what are the other two conditions which are necessary when it comes to germination? Okay, actually I have three more. Light is one of them. Proper temperature or favorable temperature is one of them. Yes, and not forgetting oxygen. Yes. So thank you very much for your time, and I welcome you for my WhatsApp tuitions.